Hello everyone, I am Ananya and welcome back to my channel. So from the title itself, you all have come to know that जैसे कि सर्दी आ गई है और हमारी स्किन बहुत रूखी सूखी ड्राई पैची सा फील होने लगा है. So to cure this at home, I have some pro tips and tricks which I use now and then और जो कि with time I have learned. So I'll be sharing all of them with you. Sorry for the background noise, please bear with me because I have no other chance left. And you can see some products lying over here, but these are not the only ones. I have this whole basket full of skincare products and which I'll be revealing soon. बहुत सारे हैं जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, but I'll be using all of this and I will show you कि बहुत सारे affordable ranges है यहाँ पे. Nothing is too much pricey, maximum affordable है, so that you can buy it on your own and you can use it if you are interested in watching the skincare videos. So please keep on watching and let's just jump into the video. The first ever step is to clean your face with a cleanser and a splash of clean water. Still it feels some dryness, so that I am using the Mamaearth Uptan face mask with saffron, turmeric and apricot oil, full of goodness guys. You can see the product is halfway done as I use it like twice a week. It's one of my absolute favorites. I'm so in love with this product as it not just only brightens my skin, but it gives me that extra added cooling effect which calms my skin down. And as we know that Mamaearth is a cruelty-free brand, and don't worry guys, it's not at all sponsored. I'm not paid for this. It's a genuine review based on my user experiences. Let's wait for 15 minutes and you can see the glow by yourself. So guys, I'm back now and I have washed my face with clean water, and now take a dry towel and pat it all over your face, just I am doing in this video. Don't ever never rub your face, just slightly and gently pat it over. My skin feels so smooth and glowy from within. Next step has to be applying moisturizer. So I am using this Bio Morning Nectar moisturizer. I have been using this since last 4 years. Can you imagine? Yes, it has been my ultimate bestie. So now I am taking a minimal amount of the moisturizer on my hand, and you can just dot it all over your face and then start gently massaging to your skin, just as I am doing right now. And one thing which I love about this moisturizer is that it is not at all that sticky, and you can trust me on this. It is suitable for all skin types. I highly recommend this product. How can a skincare be completed without using a sheet mask? So the one I am using is the Milky Serum Mask by Garnier, and please make sure to follow this process as you have to just gently massage it all over the sheet mask as I stored it vertically so that none of the essence is left behind. Please make sure. If you're in search for that complete hydration for your skin, including a sheet mask is very crucial, and pat it over your skin and such that your entire face is covered, and gently massage the leftover serum into your neck to get that complete hydration, and then just wait for 10 to 15 minutes until it dries off. Till then you can have a gala time enjoying and chilling in your balcony with sheet mask on. Some small things are to be taken care of, such as never sleep with your sheet mask on, and gently wash your hands before applying your sheet mask. As we are into extensively hydrating our skin, so I'm using this aloe vera gel in the extract of mulberry by Body Alchemy. You can see the consistency is very thick but lightweight at the same time. Take a genuine amount of this, and as I'm showing with your 2 fingers, just knuckle it from your jawline and press it upward and gently massage it all over your face, and then you will be left with a glowy, clear and radiant face on your own, as you can see it. Next on our list is the oil, which is the Kumkumadi face brightening oil. It is by Mana Ayurvedam, and it has some amazing ingredients such as sandalwood, mulethi, saffron, manjista. I am taking 2 to 3 drops of this oil. And secondly, I'm taking the Wow Vitamin C Face Serum. I'm mixing both these two and applying gently over my face to give that illuminate glow from within. Make sure you massage till the oil is absorbed completely to your skin and that no residue is remained. Yeah, I know that we all have been facing the problem of this dry, dull, and chappy lips in the winter season, but I think I have got a solution for you all. It is the Nico Lips and it is the Lip Lightening Scrub Balm, जिसके लिए आपको सिर्फ एक टिश्यू पेपर की ज़रूरत है एंड सबसे अच्छा मेकअप रिमूवर इन माई केस इट इज़ द कोकोनट ऑयल. यू हैव टू जस्ट टेक ए स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ इट, a little bit, and then you have to rub it all over your lip, और जिससे कि आपका मैंने जो लिप टिंट लगाया था वो बहुत easily remove हो जाता है और जिससे कि कोई dryness is not left behind. So please try this at your home. Don't consume it. It is not edible, but just scrub it very well. जैसे कि हम face scrub करते हैं, lip scrub करना भी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, and you have to do it all together and keep it for 2 to 3 minutes. Also, I want this skincare to be a little bit therapeutic, aromatic, कि जिससे आपको से थोड़ा लग्जरी टाइप का फील हो जो आप हम स्पा और कहीं पे जाके फील करते हैं. सो देयर इज़ अ क्विक DIY. यू हैव टू जस्ट ग्रैब 2 थिंग्स, द कोकोनट ऑयल जो कि हमारे सबके घर में अवेलेबल है, एंड देन यू हैव टू मिक्स दिस टी ट्री ऑयल. दिस इज़ बाय एलन एक्सपोर्टर्स. आप किसी भी ब्रांड का टी ट्री ऑयल यूज़ कर सकते हैं. यू हैव टू जस्ट पोर 2 to 3 drops of it. And you have to mix this two very well, like really well. You have to mix the consistency till it becomes thick. Trust me on this guys, it works like an instant remedy. अगर आपको कहीं भी पेन हो रहा है and if you want to feel a little bit of therapeutic experience, just use this. As I'm facing this problem of my shoulders hurting real bad this winter, I use this on a daily basis and it has helped me cure a lot. I'm repeating the same on my other shoulder as well, and you can even use this DIY. अगर आपको कहीं रेजर बर्न हो गया या कट, any burns, any rashes हो गया, then you can use it. And it's time for me to remove my lip scrub. Just take the tissue, same tissue of the cleaner side obviously, and then just wipe it off. You can absolutely see the difference. You will be left with such smooth and pink lips. I so wish that you all love this winter skincare, and if you do, please consider subscribing to my channel and do follow me on my socials to get connected, and please try this all out at home and do let me know. Till then, take care, bye bye, follow for more.